Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to switch to another Gmail account. Why would you want to know how to switch to another Gmail account? Well, maybe it is your first time using Gmail and not sure how to switch to another Gmail account. So today I am going to show you how to switch to another Gmail account. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Switching to another Gmail account is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open Gmail app. Now you are seeing logo in top right corner. Click on it. Now you are seeing different Gmail accounts. If you are willing to switch to any of these, just press on it. If you want to switch to another account that is not available here, scroll down. Here you are seeing add another account. Click on it. Select Google. Now enter your email. Press continue. Now enter your password and press continue. After entering your password, you will be able to switch to another account and you will use another Gmail. There you go. If you wanted to know how to switch to another Gmail account, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.